Morning.
Morning.
How you feeling, Luke?
Absolutely shattered.
Made a lot of progress.
Yeah, not enough, unfortunately.
Can I do anything else?
Yeah, you can hang the mirror.
I can't. Natasha, I haven't got the fastest for the mirror.
Oh, Dad, just put some frickin' nails in the thing. It'll be fine.
No, it's not nails. It's not timber. It's steel.
I know the ins and outs of painting now. I'm going a little bit mental.
Yeah, I know. I know.
It's coming round again, slowly creeping in. Time and it's coming. Soon enough it comes and settles in its place. Shadow in my face, puts pressure in my day. This life, well, it's slipping.
There's no way this is going to be done in 7 minutes.
Just put the top on and we'll chuck the mattress on it.
These days stand out.
Only 5 minutes, Harry.
What's going to get
Just
dirty?
take the plastic off. Take the plastic off.
It's gonna get dirty though, Dad.
It's the same. It
Put it
doesn't.
over this side though. I don't know what to do about this situation. Left, Hattie.
There you go.
It's just so upsetting to, just not get there.
I hate to call it, but you've got like a minute left.
Oh, no.
Oh my God.
How the hell?
It shadows in its place. It's shadow in my face. Puts pressure on my day.
Tools down.
Soon enough it comes.
Last room ever.
Slowly creeping in.
Yes, we did it.
And it's coming. Soon enough it comes.
Thanks, Daniel.
Thanks.
Mate.
They came and saved us yet again.
Anytime.
No, I think it's guaranteed we will not win this time.
Anytime.
Thanks.
Anytime.
These days stand